We saw TCS not living up to expectations. We saw Infosys pretty much hitting the ball out of the park. And now we are seeing Wipro also reflecting a growth of just about 0.2% or so in profits. Overall, the IT story has been fairly a mixed bag, if one can call it. Is there some sort of a guidance that one should keep in mind for IT investors at this stage? Should they just let go of their IT holdings for the time being and wait for the situation, for the story, especially on the US front, also to stabilize, and perhaps also see some announcements, more robust announcements on the AI front before dabbling back into IT stocks?
So it's been my view for the large cap IT that they're going to underperform as far as long-term investing is concerned. There was a short-term trade which has sort of played out. Most of the IT stocks have bounced back. I don't know how much more upside is there in the short term. But the moment we take a 1 or 2 year view, then the large cap IT stocks, which are growing earnings only in single digits, don't really make sense at these values, and can easily come under pressure. I mean, the only positive angle ends up being that you're getting a weak currency, or maybe they end up getting some part of the AI trade. But so far, if numbers are as long as numbers are in single digits, that's not where it's happening. So the outperformance has mostly come from the second line or mid cap IT stocks over the last several years. That might remain somewhat the focus, but you would have to be very, very careful. So I wouldn't be overexposed to IT. In fact, we rarely cover that segment, and generally it's an avoid from an investment standpoint.
All right, avoid IT from an investment standpoint. And well, if you look at the numbers on the screen today, that definitely seems to be the case, as Wipro is down about 8.5% or so already in trade. Infosys also, I think investors raking in those profits. Infosys is down about 1%. Now, in the small and mid cap space, while you mentioned that you potentially don't recommend IT stocks, but in case some people out there were to sort of, diversify their IT holdings or potentially sell, profit take on a good day, their large cap IT holdings and dabble into the mid-cap space, are there certain names that you would have for them, Rohit, that they should consider?
So we've looked at LTIM Mindtree for a while.
Okay.
It's done relatively better than the rest of the pack. Was up on Friday as well. May have some more short-term upside, but again, I just hope that the sector headwinds don't hit it.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's one stock that has done better than the rest of the pack.